Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that during the first 30 minutes, the price was all the way down there, but then by the closing bell, the price was able to manage to close up there. Any rational person would look and say, yeah, that right there has been a very, very solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all around, and it all revolves around this area right here at $2.10. Why is $2.10 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.10. If the price were to come down here, and I'm not saying it will, but if it came down there, and then just kept on going, at that point, what do you have? Well, you have, in a very literal sense, the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here, but in this situation, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have that low down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upward direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, that quote-unquote progress point being defined as $2.10. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this movement continues, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? And the overarching one to keep an eye on going forward is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the prices below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So keep a close eye on that from the resistance standpoint. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice move today. Now the question definitely transitions over to, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.